Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you have not watched our previous videos, then watch it. In this video, I will show you how to submit a form using jQuery AJAX, and along with that I will show you how to edit and delete using jQuery AJAX. Before the start, let's run and see whatever we added till now it's working fine or not. See, everything is working fine. We will create separate jQuery file for saving AJAX logic. Just to make it simple, jQuery file named jQuery save.js. Before add any save logic, let's test alert for hello is coming or not. Let's add jQuery save file in user address form JSP page. Let's check alert is coming or not. Oops, alert is not coming. Showing error 404, so need to restart the Tomcat server. Oops, still not coming. No error is showing. It's happening because of HTML is replacing with wrong class. Instead of panel body, we use different class example in our JSP. Actually, panel body is common class everywhere. Let's add an additional class called inner JSP. Now let's check alert is coming or not. Alert is coming. Now let's add form submit logic. Instead of button ID, we will submit the form using form ID. Like click, in this case we will use submit action. Before add save logic, let's see form submit is happening or not using AJAX. The alert is coming. Form submit is happening using AJAX. Now let's add save logic. We'll create JSON request using field attribute name. As you can see, it looks very simple. We will use same AJAX logic. This time we are sending a request in JSON format, so the content type is required. Action, method, and request will get from form ID. Let's modify save logic in controller and service classes. Now it's not a model attribute because request comes in JSON format. Instead of a model attribute, we will use request body. And instead of return simple string, need to add response body also. Same changes will add an address controller also. Let's replace other logic also. We will return a simple string to JSON object. Let's add required changes in all the places. Actually now requested comes in JSON format. So need to add the transient field for role and user and model classes. Let's see it's working or not, save is happening or not using AJAX. Oops, it's not working, giving some error. Let's see what is that. 403 forbidden, because JSON request is not proper. It's including CSRF also in JSON request. Let's see what is the reason. It's happening because of CSRF enable and Spring security. Let's disable. Let's check again and see it's working or not. See, add is working. Let's check update is working or not. See, update also working fine. Let's check the same thing for address also. See, it's working fine. Same way we'll add delete functionality also. We will add confirm box also before delete. As you can see, we are doing the same kind of changes for delete as well. So hope it will help you to revise whatever we already added. Let's check delete is working or not. See confirm box is coming before delete. See delete is working fine. Let's add one more column full name to the user table. Let's review whatever we added. Use generalized method for fetch list also. It's working. Always try to create generalized code. Let's add an icon for logout also. Let's see everything in one shot. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe our channel.